Welcome back. Today we're going to be prepping the trailer for paint. If you guys don't know, and many of you do, but we live in an old mobile home and we're preparing it to sell. So we're just trying to get it nice and pretty and perfect and fixing all the little problems. And we want to paint it, and we actually wanted to paint it even before we wanted to sell, just for fun. So we're kind of carrying that through. We don't need to, but we think it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to look good. So the orange and the white is going to go, it's going to be red and white, and a last minute change of decisions, we actually think we're going to reverse them. So it's going to be white and then red. It'll look cool, you're going to like it. But before we paint, we have to prep, which means cleaning.
It's filthy. So much grime is built up on this trailer.
So we're going to scrub it down. We're also going to start putting plastic over doors and windows that we don't want covered at some point. That's going to be part of this process. We're going to be removing the windows. Again, okay, this is in case you guys haven't been following the channel. We have replacement windows for all these old Jalowzy windows on our trailer. We have the replacements and we want to put them in, but we decided just in case they're a little bit smaller or different than the originals, that we're going to remove the windows. We're going to plastic the opening. You're going to see how we're going to do that. And we're going to paint, and then we're putting the new windows in. That way there's no seams or ugly lines. Also, I got some screws to fix because there's a lot of loose screws popping out. And so just a lot of odds and ends. This is all going to be prep work. Hopefully we'll be ready to paint within the next day or two.
Look how white the paint is under the shutters.
It was shiny too. I'm thinking I should have went with semi-gloss.
Aren't they so cute?
So we're taking a break because this is boring.
And tiring.
Yeah, like cleaning the trailer isn't the most exciting job in the world. We're trying to stay motivated. I think we've both been feeling a bit burnt out lately just from the non-stop work, but it's okay.
Yeah.
It's just like we're on track and everything, but you know, you just get overwhelmed mentally. It's like a mental burnout. It's not physical. It's just mostly mental, I think. A little bit physical. We're doing good, and this isn't a big rush project, so we can take breaks. We're sitting on a piece of canvas that we had screwed to the house. When it was really hot out, the kids' room was getting super hot. Like the sun was...
They're on the evening sun side.
That night sun would just come in the windows and
just cook the room.
Yeah. So we put canvas up on the outside of the trailer, and it worked so good. It stopped all that heat from coming in and kept the room nice and cool all day.
But still let light in. It was like nice in there.
But it's time to come down so we can paint. But that's a tip. If your house is getting too hot, cover your windows before the sun even gets in. And look at our barn, looking good back there.
Yep.
Everything's going well. We're just pushing extra hard because I feel like we're close. Really close.
Pretty much almost done. Just gotta paint the trailer and paint some ceilings.
The kids are out here with us. The chicks are out here with us. We're all just hanging out together, getting our work done.
Perfect temperature. Not hot.
Yeah. Don't even think about it.
No. Here's eyeballing.
Here's a real one.
So the question is, what do we do when we're burnt out? What do we do when we're overwhelmed a bit? Part of it is just to push through it. We just keep going. Sometimes we don't want to do something and we just keep going because we have to. And it's we just look forward. Looking ahead to the end result, to the goals, gives us the motivation to come on, to keep going on. And when all else fails, we treat ourselves to a Lara bar break. Just give yourself a little treat, a little pick-me-up. Do something you like, take a break. Little things,
Yeah.
they can help you keep going.
So now we're in the back of the house. Doug is taking the shutters off. And down here is the sunflowers that started growing from the bird seed. And a bunch of them are going to start blooming. And that one over there has bloomed. That's cool.
Well, we thought we'd be further along, I think, by the end of this day, but we're not. But we did accomplish all the cleaning. It's totally clean, the skirting is clean, the metal is clean, and we got a lot of stuff off that I thought was gonna be pretty tough.
Yeah.
So, we actually think we like it better without the shutters. Now that those fake shutters are gone, we probably won't be putting those back on.
Nope.
We originally were, but I'm thinking
It looks so good without them.
it'll look totally fine painted up without them.
And the ends don't have them on them anyway,
Yeah.
so
And if it feels lacking, we'll throw them on. But
yeah.
we should be good to go on that. Also, it feels super good to get these off the house. Whoa! They're kind of ugly. And
Hideous old plastic garbage.
I forget who mentioned it. I think it was Gail. Could be wrong. But somebody said in our comments, hey, while you're painting the house, you should replace the lights. So I said, okay. So these are gonna go, and we already picked out new lights. We have them, but we're not gonna show you. That'll be a surprise. They're really cool. So that means we're basically step 1 out of 3, right?
Tomorrow we're gonna take out the windows.
All the windows are coming out. That's step 2. And then painting is step 3 and it's done. It's
Yep.
gonna be like multiple coats. I don't know how long that's gonna take.
So yeah, all of the orange stripes are going to be white, and the one in the middle, right there, is red.
So white all the way up, red, and then white the rest
That's
of the way.
what we're doing.
We don't want it to look like a candy cane. You know, just like, or a flag or something. You know.
And we've seen other Holly Park homes, like this one, and they have the colored stripe right there, the opposite of ours, so
It should be okay.
yeah.
What else? I don't know. It was beautiful out. The sun wasn't beaming on
It's been
us.
really nice out here. Perfect temperature.
All week it should be cloudy but not rainy, and that's perfect for painting. We got the paint. Did we say that?
We didn't say it, I don't think.
We bought the paint. It's in the car. So we're all set, ready to go. So that's all we have for today. Be sure to join us next time. Watch us take out these windows and get the plastic up and the big reveal is going to be coming soon. So until next time, take care.
Bye.
Oh yeah, and one more thing before we go. We have to say it because I know you guys will. We know a pressure washer would have done this so quick and easy. We just don't want to spend the money on one. We don't have one, and we just rather put some elbow grease into it and just do it.
Yeah.
You know?
It's done. It's
Yeah.
whatever.
So we totally get it.
Yeah.
Pressure washer. It just isn't in our budget right now. We're trying to be careful, and this works.